Hey bro, don't pay for my way to the movies, cause I got paid $20 today, so, and plus 10, so, okay, we can. So I just got paid $20 earlier from chores and $10 for my neighbors for mowing and stuff. And all I owe them is like 15 now, so. Well, not owe them 15, I owe them 10 now since, for like labor and stuff and gas and everything else. So yeah, I'm good to go for the movies. Yeah, I know. I mean, if something didn't go your way either. Fuck. Ow. Got smacked in a tree branch. Yay. So, here comes. Oh, it's Max. What's up, Max? What's up, Max? Oh. On lunch, I would have to go home for lunch for now, so instead, so yeah, on Sundays. Yeah, for now on, so anyways, truth to be known, so until further notice. So yay. Oh, and Larry, what are you doing next Saturday besides D&D? Well, remember the time my uncle wanted you to weed whack and stuff? Well, I asked one of Uncle Dave's co-workers if you want to come over and weed whack with me, so I mean, like before, like, you know, all D&D and stuff. If you want to, all you gotta do is hop on your bike and with your weed whacker, your D&D stuff and stuff. So, and after that, if you want to meet Ethan after down to his apartment, that'd be cool too. So, if you want to. Well, heck, I smell dinner cooking, so I gotta go in my house and stuff. Do you want me to call you tonight? Alright. Alright, see you later, bro. Alright.